Hello everyone, welcome back to our Power BI channel. Here we are covering visuals under this playlist. In the previous tutorial guys, we have learnt about 100% stacked bar chart. And now in today's class guys, we will also learn about new visual of Power BI, which name is 100% stacked column chart. And in the previous class guys, we have also covered the difference with 100% bar charts and other bar charts. I hope guys now you are clear with the difference of 100% stacked bar chart and other bar charts. And now let's talk about this 100% stacked column chart. So the chart parameters are exactly same like other previous visuals. So here under this stacked column chart guys, we will also take two dimensions with single measurable values. So if you guys have not watched my previous videos yet, so I would request please go and watch the previous visualization videos, where you guys can learn depth knowledge about the visualizations. So let's go to the data view guys. And here guys we will take two columns with one measurable value. So this time guys we will analyze country wise customer. That will help you to analyze that what customer sold in which country at what percentage. So under y axis guys I will take this country column, and under x axis I will take sales column, which is measurable value. You guys can take any measurable value like cost, quantity, per unit price and so on. So let's go to the practical page, and here I have created one new page which name is 100% stacked column chart. And here I have also taken this 100% stacked column chart from this visualization pane. And now I will click on this visual. So under x axis guys I will take this country column, and under y axis guys I will take the measurable value. So I am taking sales. And now let's go to the legends. So under legends guys I will take this customer name, because we want to analyze customer wise sales. So let me drag and drop this customer name field here. So here we guys can see our graph has ready with customer name and sales. And now let's understand this graph. So this green color represent the sales of Rakshit Jain. Here you guys can clearly see in legends. So if I hover my mouse here in green color, so Rakshit Jain has sold out 1,23,400, which is 56.09% in China. And this purple color represent guys Nancy Mittal. You guys can clearly see it here. So in China country guys, Nancy Mittal has sold out 42,000 of sales, which is 19.09% of China. And now let's talk about this sky blue color, which represent Anjit Roy. You guys can clearly see it here in legends. So Anjit Roy has sold out 54,590, which percentage is 24.81. If you guys can sum all the numbers here, which is 56.09 plus 19.09 plus 24.81, which sum is 100%, as we have already studied in 100% stacked bar chart. So the total sums of the bar is 100%. And now let's talk about some differences of 100% stacked bar chart and 100% stacked column chart. So the first major difference guys is design. So here are the columns guys which is in vertical position, and here are the bars which are in horizontal position. This is only the major difference guys between these 100% stacked bar chart and 100% stacked column chart. With the help of both the charts guys, we guys can compare the sales of percentage wise. If you hover your mouse anywhere in the graph, so you guys can see it displaying the percentage as well as the sales. And if we have more values guys, so it calculates the total percentage of 100. Let's suppose India. So 82.35 plus 17.65 is equal to 100%. So it will gives you only result in 100%, not more than that. So under this tutorial guys, we have completed all the bar charts. And from the next class guys, I will start with this line chart. So I hope guys this playlist is really helpful for you guys to understand the depth knowledge of Power BI visualizations. And those who wanna learn Power BI from scratch, so here we have this free YouTube channel guys, which name is Power BI Full Course by Shubham. And under this 50 tutorials guys, I have explained each and every concept in detail. You guys can easily learn Power BI from scratch with the help of this free playlist. And we have other playlist guys, so let me click here on playlist. And here you guys can see, you guys can learn DAX functions from scratch. So I have created different playlists for the DAX functions. And here guys we have one more playlist which is updates. Here you guys will get to see latest Power BI updates. And we are also covering visualization from detail. And for the job seekers guys, we also have this Telegram group where I'm keep posting latest Power BI jobs opening. And you will also find some latest interview questions and answers, which recently asked by an interviewer. So you don't need to pay anything to anyone for jobs and training. But if you still think you required paid training sessions guys, so I am also providing one-on-one paid training sessions. And from day one class guys, I prepare for you interview rounds with some advanced scenarios which recently asked by an interviewer. And those who are visit first time on this channel, please kindly hit the like and subscribe button guys. And don't forget to press this bell icon else you will miss an update. So thank you so much guys for your more love and support. Keep learning, keep growing. Thank you so much.